atong challenge mao na po di siya ang Tagalog to English translation challenge.
Ma'am, ganahin ko na ma'am.
Ah.
Yo kay ma'am kay kapil na ko sa Sting Gift.
Ah.
Ko may kwarta gapon.
Sige. Kakaroon ang premium mo gyapon 5,000 pesos.
Wow,
Oh, limitan ra gyapon ta mo og tulo. Pwede ra sad 5. Cancer. Ha? Sige, una ra gyapon Tatay Pisot, last Ernesto sa muka.
Yes, ma'am.
Una Tatay Pisot. I-translate sa English ang marami akong gagawin.
Marami akong gagawin.
sa Bisaya pa. Taghan kay
I'm so many work.
Wrong, usa.
Marami akong gagawin.
Marami akong gagawin.
Ay manguna.
Ay.
Ay.
Oh,
Dili ay.
ay.
Marami akong gagawin.
I have.
I have many work.
Wrong, duha.
I have many job.
Tolo.
Jaban din ako ma'am. Ay, marami ako asa.
Marami akong gagawin. I have
many assignment.
wrong, upat.
I
Last.
have many ang sunod.
Dili.
I have a work.
Wrong, 5. 5 ko, marami akong gagawin.
Usa na lang kalitok anang
I have
Usa na lang kalitok ko nga.
tolo.
I have a very very busy.
Wrong. Wrong. I have blank blank blank.
I have many job work.
Wrong, duha.
I have 9 minimum.
Ha?
9 mini.
Walay mini. I have
Marami man.
I have
Marami akong gagawin.
unsa may laing term sa marami?
Mini.
Unsa may laing kuan sa mini? I have blank blank blank.
I have a busy.
Wrong.
Everybody.
Wrong. Tolo.
Sa naman ni Mamay.
I have
Kana lang ibili na lang kung uso. Duha ka baglis lang ma'am.
I have a lot. Blank blank.
A lot di ay ang mini. Lot. I have a lot. I have a lot Tintin.
Wrong. Upat. Last. I have a lot. Blank blank.
Nay work ma'am.
Ha?
Never.
Secret.
I have a lot work every day.
Wrong. 5.
I have a lot work always.
Wrong.
I have a lot.
I have a lot. Blank blank.
I have a lot everyday work.
Wrong. Usa.
I have nothing.
Wrong. Duha.
I have a lot.
I have a lot. Blank blank. Duha na lang jud nya tag duha pa jud ka litra.
I have a lot. Walk.
Wrong. Tolo.
I have a lot. Wek.
Wrong. Upat.
I have a lot. Wak.
Wrong. 5. Ernesto. Marami akong gagawin. I have a lot. Nya blank blank.
I have a lot.
Oh.
Ano to, ma'am?
I have a lot nya blank blank.
I have a lot. Work.
Wrong. Usa. Marami akong gagawin.
Bili lang usa ka blank mami.
Ha?
Bili lang usa ka blank.
I have a lot to blank.
I have a lot to
Oh.
in one.
I have a lot to blank.
I have a lot to toy.
Wrong. Duha. I have a lot
a lot
to
I have two hand. The left.
Wrong, tolo. Oh. I have
I
a
have a
lot
lot.
to blank.
What's that?
Marami akong
I
gagawin.
have a lot.
Oh, I have a lot to blank.
I have a lot to. I have a lot at to work.
To.
To week.
Wrong, upat.
I have a lot. I have a lot to know. To know in.
Wrong.
a lot of work.
Ha?
I have a lot of work.
Wrong.
I have a lot of me.
Wrong.
I have a lot.
Do na lang oy ang kuwang.
I have a lot of do.
I have a lot to do.
I have a lot of work. Pwede ba na?
I have a lot to do. Marami akong gagawin.
Oo.
Ah.
Ay.
I have a lot to do. Ah. Next. Ah. Ano ang numero ng telepono mo?
What is the number of your phone?
Ha?
Of your telephone?
Wrong. Usa. Ano ang numero ng telepono mo?
What is the number of your telephone?
Wrong. Duha.
Mauna ay.
Wrong.
Ano ang number ng telepono mo?
Ano ang numero ng telepono mo?
Ano ang numero?
Duha.
What is gani?
Ha?
What is?
What is?
What is ang una no?
Dili, what's?
What's up? Oh.
What's up? What's going on?
What's your telephone number?
Correct!
Ready?
5,000!
The number you have dialed is not a turn service.
Sobrang init sa labas. Sobrang init sa labas. Sobrang init sa labas.
I'm very, very heat. We live without.
Usa. Sobrang init sa labas.
Ma'am, I have.
It's ang una. It's very.
It's very warm. In outside.
Wrong. Duha.
It's a very heat in outside.
Tulo.
I know man eh.
Sobrang init sa labas.
Picture sa mga amo gisayin sa amo ang classmate ma'am nga bright me.
Okay.
I'm very.
It's very.
It's very. It's very. Let's do anymore.
Wrong. Upat. Last.
Tama na eh.
It's very.
It's
Blank.
very.
Blank.
It's very warm outside.
Wrong. 5. Sobrang init sa labas. It's very.
It's very hot. South. Side. It's very
Sakto.
hot.
It's very hot.
It's very hot. Outside.
Correct!
Yes.
5,000!
outside.
It's very hot outside. Okay.
Very hot
Oh. Malakas ang hangin. Malakas ang hangin. There's a blank.
Very hot. Is ang kwan ma'am?
There's a.
There's us as the typhoon.
Saan nagbagyo? Malakas ang
There's a-
hangin. There's a.
There's a
storm
There's a.
thunderstorm.
Wrong. Duha.
There's a
There's a
tornado.
Wrong. Tolo.
There's a matter of fact. is
Unsa? Ah,
there's a matter of fact.
ataka na jaglit to.
English lang ka.
Sabot ka na. Sabi na English na.
Opat, last. Last. Ah. Ah, last.
There's a
Malakas ang hangin. Ah.
there's a is
Ah. Unsa man ang malakas be? Unsa may English sa malakas?
kusog kayong kuan ng basta lakas kusog kayo ng hangin.
Oh, unsa gani English?
There's a is bagyo.
Lima. Oh, tatay Pisot.
There's a fast win.
Ha?
Fast win.
Wrong. Usa, win ang last.
Alala.
There's a blank wind. Malakas ang hangin. Unsa ba jay laing term anang malakas?
Ha, kanang strong.
Correct!
Strong wind. Strong wind.
5,000.
There's a strong wind.
There's a strong wind. Okay. Halimok toy.
Ma'am.
Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay.
Kamot ka magkikwarta kapon. Tinta ko ito 10,000 puro so 10,000.
Oh, halimok toy. Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay. Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay.
I'm so happy coming home.
Wrong. Usa.
Mayong pagdating.
Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay.
I'm so happy coming in my house.
Wrong, duha.
Di ba?
Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay. Ha?
Intro lang.
May bawaan ninyo. Okay, una, welcome.
Welcome in my house.
Wrong, tolo.
Welcome in my home.
Ha?
Welcome in my home.
In my home?
Yeah.
Wrong, upat. Sakto, welcome blank my home. Usa na kuwang. Welcome blank my home. Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay.
Welcome my.
Ha?
Welcome my. Ito?
Blank.
Welcome blank my home.
Blank lang ito.
Welcome you. My home.
Wrong, lima.
Welcome me.
Oh, tatatasok. Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay. Welcome blank my home.
Welcome together my home.
Wrong, usa.
Saan lang ka words ako?
Oh, usa na lang.
Welcome everywhere my home.
Wrong, duha.
Welcome everybody my home.
Tolo.
Maligayang pagdating mga.
Oh, maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay. Welcome blank my home.
Welcome blank my home.
Welcome blank my home.
Welcome back my home.
Wrong, upat. Last.
Weligarte my home.
Wrong, lima. Ernesto. Oh, maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay. Welcome blank my home.
Welcome to my home.
Correct!
Kuyawag English. Welcome to my home.
Tatay Pisot, last.
Kadismail ako.
Tatawagan kita bukas.
I call you tomorrow.
Correct! 5,000
Tomorrow.
pesos.
Sino?